Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another quick video. So I'm here with a Samsung Galaxy A17 5G Android phone. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can add the floating camera shutter button whilst you're using the camera. Okay, so to do this, you will need to enable the option. So to turn on the option, just simply open up the camera application. And then select those 4 pins right there. And then go into the settings by selecting the settings option. And then simply scroll down to where it says shooting methods. And then turn on the option floating shutter button. So take pictures with an extra shutter button. You can move anywhere on the screen. So go ahead and turn the little switch on and then go back. And as you can see now, we have the floating shutter button. So we have two. We have the original one and then we have the extra one here that you can move around anywhere on the display. And all you have to do is just press it and bam, you can take a picture. As simple as that. So you can use the original one, or you can use the floating shutter button. And that's it. So that was another useful, helpful tip for you all. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I will see you in the next video. I'm out. Deuces.